We are back out again today. Notice the snow, but it is going away. We are going to be up into, let me flip it around here, these hills up in here. It's a place that I found probably a couple of years ago. Anyway, it's one of my favorite places. Anyway, let's go. Let's not take any time. Let's get to it. All right, we are in pattern land. Let's just do a meet and greet with patterns. And mind you, I did not cut these. They just come this way. Pre-packaged in nature's store, waiting for me. Sweet, huh? Put that one over here. Continue on in our pattern extravaganza. Pre-packaged by Mother Nature. Sweet. Look at the little crystals on top. Perfect. Perfect. Little like water flowing. Oh, that's cool. Continue on. That side's nice. And this one I'm just going to throw in here. It wasn't part of the thing. I just saw it here. That was kind of cool. Oh, that one's neat. Some of my lobster meat. All right. You can see on the ground, they're just scattered all over here. Little pieces of them. That one's actually kind of cool. Let's look at it. Got swirl of green. But yeah, it's all lobster meated out all over, all over this hillside. Just lobster meat everywhere. Everywhere you can see. And there's some with little crystals, some with little holes in them. All right. Continue on, we shall. Another meet and greet. All right, let's back up. Beep. Got a little bit of crystals going on. In the sun. Let it shine. Yeah, this one. Then we've got, this one has a pattern. Let's see right here. You can probably see it. There's one there, one there. Yeah, you can see it better there. Then I got this one. I thought was kind of interesting. Here, let me get it straightened out. Got a green tone right in there, purple and green. Pretty. That'd be an interesting cut, wouldn't it? All right, to continue on. Another pattern. Over here, seems like over here is like the best. All right, and we have this one here. Got a little bit of crystal. Pink, look at the pink right there and purple. That is pretty. Sweet. Then, got two more. Got this one here. Nice. And then this one I thought was just kind of neat because it has the little pink tuft on top of it, little tufts. All right. All right, we've made it back to the truck. Let's do meet and greet before we put them in the back. You have this one here. Interesting. It's got a green tone to it. That one's pretty sweet. That one might be the best of the day, just because of the patterns in it. I like it. Oh, I like it a lot. All right. Come here. Don't get away from me. Forming around a crystal. Got this one here. Waving through. Got another one forming around a crystal. And you got this one we're just busting into. Haven't quite got into it. That one might be a good one to be cut to see what inside looks like. Looks like it's got some swirls. Oh, I like that one a lot too. All right, put that one in. I think we have one more as crystal. Maybe I already did this one, I don't know. Hard to tell. That one's kind of pretty up there. All right, we are going to two more places and then we're heading home. All right, it's time to do a meet and greet. This one here, check out that. I was gonna go yesterday to a place that had crystals, but I decided to take roads that I never took before. And so I bypassed it. But guess what? Mother Nature has made up for it by giving me some crystals here. Sweet, huh? And then I saw this I thought was kind of interesting, this green rock that had kind of a purple thing going through it. Should we play whack-a-mole on it? I think we should. I think we should whack-a-mole it. All right, stand by. All right, let's have another session of Micro World. Micro Crystal World. See, getting the light a little bit. See the little crystals there? In the shade now. Little crystals still are wonderful. Nice. Keep on going. That would look like somebody's belly button. No, it's not that. It's a belly button with lint in it. Nice. Nice. Then we're going to this world. The cavern. Get out of there. There's still, I can't get that out of there. Weed in there. You put your weed in there. All right. Nice. Continue on. Don't stop. Just keep on rocking. Yeah. Ice, baby, right here. Look at that. And believe you me, there is still some snow up here, even though I'm roasting. Hiking around, yeah. Bumps up the temperature quite a bit. Quite a bit, I must say. And I just said it. Nice. Then we got some pattern, a little bit of pattern right here with crystal. Pattern and crystal. The two things that everybody loves. And I didn't even have to slice and dice this. It already came prepared at the store for me, apparently. Nice. Let's get a close-up of the swirl, the wave coming over. Very nice. And I think I got one more right here. Yaman. Oh, packed in. Yummy goodness right there. Packed in. Tasty. All right. As we say, what? What do I say? In the bag. Here we go. And then we're going to go down the hill, and then we're going to actually go up another mountain. Up here, got, well, that's a nice one right there. Nice little sample of quartz. This one's got, they have kind of a purple. Pretty, huh? Oh, this one's really cool. Got green in there. Opens up to a little green cavern. See if in the shade. Ooh, that's really pretty in the shade. Look at it. Look at it glow. I'll take pictures in a second. You may ask yourself, Shane, how do you find these things, or how do you see them on the ground? They are just like this. This is how I find, or I see them when I find them on the ground. They're just sitting there. And they look like they've already been chopped, but they haven't. They have patterns in them. Pretty cool. There's another one down over here. Right down there. Oh, didn't get it. A few over here. I thought this one's kind of cool. Look at the greens and the reds in that one. And this is far from another place because this hasn't been mined, this area. Time for a meet and greet. We've got this one. Got some crystals in it. Then we got this one with a pattern. Look how jagged that thing is. Then, what else we got? Oh, we got another one down here. You can almost see through it. You see through it? I see through it. Different lighting, different effects. That one's pretty. And what else we got? Did we show this one? I don't think we showed this one yet. Another pattern. They all have that kind of a scallopy, like they've been set next to another mineral. Oh, there's another one right here. That's crystal. It's really pretty, actually. It's a good crystal. That's a very pretty one right there. Yeah, we are far from where I was yesterday. Probably more than 100 miles away. Anyway, we're going to keep on going, keep on rocking, as I say. Let's do a meet and greet of the little world. This one here got some crystals, macro crystals. Then you've got this one that has lacework all through it, but then has a top crust of crystal. Chunky old piece. Did we visit? Stay on track, Shane. Don't forget where you were. Right there. There's crystals. If you need a crystal fix, here, I'm your crystal rock dealer. Right, here's one. Surprisingly enough, I'm getting kind of hot out here. And it is still supposedly winter. I don't know what the groundhog decided to tell everybody. Haven't been paying attention. I've just been going out. I could be your groundhog. I could tell you exactly what winter is going to be, the rest of it. And it's not much. Hopefully we get a lot of rain during the week, not on the weekend. I don't want rain on the weekend. Although I do have my, I already did that one. I do have my stuff I took to Ireland. So if I needed to, I could put that on. Because everybody knows it does rain in Ireland. All right, I think we're good. All right, keep on rocking. Let's go down this way. All right, second take on the rock meet and greet. I was doing all the thing I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. All right, here we go again. All right, meet the first contender of the day, or of the session right here, is this one here. Pretty sweet. Look in the shade. Sometimes they look better in the shade. Okay, one down. Got a hairy belly button right here. Hairy belly button one. The hairy belly button award goes to this one right here. Nice. Keep on rocking. This one here, kind of cool. Look at the crystals in that one, will you? Close up, now in the shade. Get both visuals. Almost looks better in the shade on this one. Look at that. Ooh, fancy. Fancy one there. This one's going up on top there. A crust of crystal. In the sunlight. So you get both versions. The glimmering of the sunlight one. All right, on we go. Another one, we'll do this one in the sun right now. And then in the shade. I'm liking these in the shade. I'm liking it in the shade here. The shady deal. Let's start with this one in the shade. Before we head the bright sunlight of the day. Although that one shows the kind of the amber color of the rock. All right, on we go. This one's kind of just interesting because it's kind of a purple tint to it. Not sure what is going on with this one. It has a purple. This one's just packed with beauty. Look at that. In the shade. Ooh, it looks even fancier in the shade. Look at that. Right on we go. Oh, this one's like a birthday cake. All the stacked birthday cake right there. Whose birthday is it? It was some people I know. Probably had birthdays. In fact, I got to put out a birthday wish. Alright. It's like a ghost in there. A ghost finger. Do you see the ghost finger I'm looking at here? Let me stop. Get close. See the ghost finger? The ghost finger touched this rock. That's scary. This one's got some right on top there. Beauty. Sweet. Getting down to the bottom. Got this one here. In the shade. Where's that other one? I had another one. Or maybe that was the one. That is the one. Look. Look at that guy's face. He's just like upset. I don't know why. Maybe it's his hair. His hair's a little bit squampus. Look at his eyes right there and his mouth. Cheer up, dude. You're going in the backpack. All right. Check out this one here. Fire. It's fire. In the shade. Got a little bit of purple tones around the edges. Be quiet. Very quiet. Don't toss out there. Those that have been with me for quite a while know this land. I've explained it before. This is the land I call lobster meat land. There's lots of little pieces of rock. Little pieces of lobster meat. Oh, here comes the people again. Can you hear them? That one's not as loud as some of them. Drives me nuts. I wish the government would have them put some exhaust on there. It's like a car. So you're out in the hills. Last thing you want to hear is bang. Oh, look at this one. Look at the color in there. That's kind of cool. Got a green color to it. I see another one right here. Before we go, pour it out of the ground here. I got some crystals right in there. Has to be washed up. Right in there. Nice big old slab. Look at that. That is beautiful. You get a picture of that. Even with that little lichen on there. Yeah, there's definitely crystals in there. All right, in the bag you go. Whack-a-mole complete. I think we'll take that one there. All right, I think I might have another piece up there. Right there. Might have to whack-a-mole a little bit more. But yeah, whack-a-mole was a success because we are able to take some of this with us and take the rest of it too. All right, stand by. We're going to actually go up this way before we head up this way. Anyway, all right, stand by. All right, meet and greet, then we'll move on. Got that one. Purples and greens. My favorite two colors, purples and greens. That's pretty right there. Really pretty. All right, into the bag and up the hill we go. All right, short meet and greet. We're heading back down to the truck. This one has things I like about it. Let's see if I can get the light to shine through it. Come on. Come on, work with me. Got kind of the amber color right there. See it? Yeah, I'm liking it. All right, let's look at the other one. The other one just has that color in it. It's I like right there. I'll put that in the bag anytime. Well, end of the weekend has begun. Look behind me, there's still snow. It'll be going pretty soon. It's pretty warm up here. But anyway, we're heading down to the truck that way. And you know what happens when you head back to the truck. We always find stuff. So anyway, stand by. All right, meet and greet as we go. We got this one here. Got some crystals. All right, we'll leave that behind. We got this one. Take a picture of that, and then we're leaving that one behind too. This one's going with us. This one's kind of pretty. Look at that. Lace pattern all through it. That is a keeper. All right. We got a big chunk of imitation crab meat. Then we've got this here. Kind of cool. Turned into crystals. Then we got this little puppy. Come here. That was kind of cool. Right, down as we go to the truck. You know me, I'm all for the different. Check out this. How shiny it is. This lava rock. It has moved along, made this little path right here. Interesting, huh? I've seen this before. Not this shiny, though. Yeah, it's pretty shiny. Shine, shine. All right, while we're here, actually, hold on a second. While we're here, might as well do our meet and greet. This one's really pink. I don't know if it'll show it in the light. That bleaches it out. Just put it in the shadow over here. Come on. Come on, come on. It is definitely a pink. And you got this one that has green tones. Over in the shadow too. Different. And well, we can't show that yet. This one's kind of cool. Crab meat deluxe. Good old slice of crab meat. Then, what else we got? We got this one. So that's kind of neat. The green and the red. All right, you've been good. Actually, let's go look at that one again. Oh, we should show the pink. How pink it is. This looks yellow. It's just not picking up the pink. All right, you've waited long enough. Da 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 da. That is a big chunk of quartz. I'm liking it. In the shadows. Told you, come out of the woodworks to jump into a bag to go home. All right, let's go. And the last little crystal. That and this. We wonder what's inside, what kind of pattern would be inside here. All yet to be seen if I chop it. All right, adios amigos, and I'll see you on the flip side.